Everybody got everything.
Last night.
Ooh, Tratiana.
Shut down. Oh, we got a Lambo.
Lamborghini.
Exhaust, damn.
Exhaust coming out the ass, out the booty, like literally out the booty hole. Let me see this. Hold on. Fuck out of my face, nigga.
Oh yeah, it was a Miata.
I want a Corvette so bad, bro. I thought they was gonna chase. Everybody got a Corvette. It look like.
What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. Tonight is night number 2 of Florida 2K. Again, we're going straight to the car meet, getting right into it.
It look like everybody go to.
That's an unmarked cop.
Got it.
Dang, what the heck? Y'all saw that? I don't think I've ever seen a red cop car like that. But there's a bunch of cops down here. Whoa! What the heck?
That shit bright
There's
as
the
shit.
other cop right there with his lights on. See the cop right there, and there's another one that just pulled out right there too. Dang. They must be searching for somebody.
They on hots.
They were on this side right here. It looks like a cop. That sounds amazing.
Vets is just nasty, bro. I need me one.
So it's a C7 with C8 taillights. That actually looks so good.
Oh God, good at fuck. Sexy as shit, boy. That shit looks sexy.
Damn, there are 2 more cops right there. I think that's who they were trying to find.
Nigga got a whole van for that
It
nigga.
was a Miata. Dang.
Yeah, that nigga through. They finna put that nigga car in the van. He got gold wheels and shit. That shit's so nasty. That shit's so nasty. Ew!
Oh my gosh. That thing rips. Well, he doesn't have a cam, but it sounds sick. That's it. That's it. I'm buying a C7 as my next car. That car right there just sold. My ear is ringing.
Hell no.
Oh my gosh, that sounded sick.
C7 is sexy, bro. I might have to go C8 on their ass, bro. His shit on the ground. Half black.
Oh, that being said, we are now heading on over to.
I might have to go C. I mean, not C8. I might have to go C6,
wild.
bro.
So hopefully we get into some action tonight.
I want to go
Yeah, oh my, look at all the
C6,
cops.
bro.
You see that? All right, well, let's see what the heck is going on right here. Golly.
I want to go C6 and then wide body that bitch. Damn. Ain't no accident.
More cops chilling right here. Cops are everywhere over here.
Them niggas is
We are
out.
going downtown.
Downtown Miami. Taxpayers, bro. Taxpayers, bro. We
Rolling up
spent,
to
bro.
the
That's some
meet right
bullshit,
here.
bro.
Granted, we are 30 minutes early, so there shouldn't be that many people here. But there's a couple. There's a Supra, Challenger, and a Camaro. We got a Mustang and a Corvette coming in, and a Beamer.
Wide selection, wide selection.
Boosted Corvette coming in. Slowly but surely packing up. The meet just started. Look at the tire in the back. Golly. Sounds rowdy.
See, everybody got a, Damn, that's a Camaro. I mean, everybody got everything.
Last night.
Ooh,
Getting
Tratiana.
shut down.
Shut
You
down.
just said the exact same thing I just said. And that's the second one. Oh, we got a Lambo.
Lamborghini.
Exhaust, damn.
Exhaust coming out the ass, out the booty, like literally out the booty hole.
Golly, look at the tire on this.
Oh my God. That shit, you
Circling
know
around
he
the
running. You know he.
leaving, which is good.
You know he doing some shit in that shit.
Please clear the parking lot. Public is closed. Manager does not let you in.
Oh, so the public's hold it in. Makes sense. Look at that wrap.
That
Man,
shit
now everybody's
hard.
leaving. I want to hear this thing start.
Oh God. Damn, you missed it, nigga.
GT350. This is the Hellcat with a Shirokai wide body kit on it. It's the same one as mine. Same
Nah,
kit.
bro. That wide body ass, bro. I don't like that wide body. That shit ugly as hell, bro. I'm sorry, twin. That shit ugly as fuck.
BMW's chopping. Oh, it's an LS swap.
What? That's a Jeep right there. Oh, they in a Jeep? What kind of Jeep they in?
Yeah, they're doing the same thing.
Oh my god, bro. This shit finna look so crazy, bro.
Oh, that's that Supra.
Out of there. They are? No, they're not. No, they're not. No, they're not. No, they're not.
That's a Supra from last night.
It is a Supra. That shit blacked out. One light, bro. Ain't that illegal, bro? What the fuck?
My God. There's the Bentley in front of us. The Carmi is right down the road. Alrighty, looks like this is meetup spot number 2.
That shit finna get shut down, bro. Actually, no, it's not. There's a lot of stuff that's.
Oh, a V2 CTSV.
Damn, dude.
Hellcat.
That shit do look hard, bro. That badge on the side, bro. Yeah, I'm tripping right now. That shit do look hard, bro. If I get a Hellcat, it gotta be on that shit. That shit gotta be on there, bro.
Oh, a V2 CTSV.
CTSV go. Oh, that shit ugly as hell. That shit hard.
I like
That CTSV ugly as fuck. My grandpa want that shit so bad, bro. He was talking about he finna buy one of
Man, I
them
missed my
shits.
Corvette.
I need one.
Hopefully this doesn't get shut down. There's that Supra again. So nasty.
Oh
Super
god,
dank.
nasty as fuck.
Oh, love those wheels.
That shit sexy as hell, bro. That shit is so sexy. That's a cat. Oh my god. Oh my fucking bro. Look. Damn, I need to take a picture of this. This how I want my cat, but I'm gonna put a silver fucking cat emblem on the side, bro. Oh my fucking, this shit so beautiful. Whoever cat this is, bro, you deserve some cat. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. This shit ain't go on my goddamn, on my screen, bro. I'm finna goddamn take a picture zoomed out too, on everything like this, nigga. So you get everything. That's my lock screen, my nigga. That's my lock screen on God. That shit is beautiful.
Dang.
I feel like everybody got them shits though. Well, that's cause I live in Texas. Ooh, that shit hard. That CTSV hard as fuck.
Not bad.
Ooh, no, the white one better.
Supra.
The white one better. That white one is the hardest one, bro. That black one kind of look a little grandpa-ish.
CTSVs. Turbo Camaro.
Ew, that shit sound nasty. That shit sound like it came from the track.
Grand Sport.
Nigga, that shit is whistling. Oh my god.
Grand Sport.
What'd he say?
Another boosted C6.
Oh, he finna park there.
Love those wheels.
Oh god. Them big fat beefy ass wheels. But some people do be having those just for aesthetic though. You know what I'm saying? Some people do be having those just for aesthetic. So you gotta keep that in mind, bro. Do he really need? Oh no, he actually do need them wheels. I just heard his shit whistle. Never mind. My bad. His shit was just playing the flute, my nigga. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad.
With the turbo.
Ugh.
Terminator.
You know that shit. Oh my god. His wheels got a BBL on it. Hold on. Quad exhaust. Bro, you know this shit fucking flying, nigga. A Civic. This shit actually look good as fuck. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. I ain't even gonna cap.
With the turbo. Terminator.
Everybody shit sound good. This,
too.
ooh, which one? Which one?
Super clean. Got a bunch of 370s coming in. On a tire.
He don't need them
No
shits.
front bumper.
Oh god.
No front bumper.
Why? He don't need them tires either. This nigga don't need them tires
What up, boy?
or that goddamn. This nigga got a whole fucking parachute. Let's be honest, bro. This nigga right here, bro. This nigga don't need that shit. shit he needed. I don't know. He doing that on the street though. Like you might not need that shit. You doing that shit on the street. Damn, what they in? What they in?
Listen to that turbo. Centrifugal blower.
He just raced both of them niggas, beat both of them niggas. What the fuck is he in? What the fuck?
That sounds sick.
They both leaving. See, I don't know. That shit is hard, but see, I don't know. I'm about to go see 6.
Packing up pretty good. The whole
G5.
parking lot. Pack. Boosted GT350.
GT50.
Oh, I love those wheels. Hellcat. More chargers, more chargers. There's another.
Nah, that other Hellcat won,
another
bro.
M3. Oh, and another.
The first Hellcat won, bro.
C8 Corvette.
C8 motherfucker. You gotta go wide body with the wing, twin. That shit look naked.
And another blue C8 Corvette.
Damn, everybody got them shit. Uh-oh, see? So you gotta get a fatter wing, bro.
Over there now. 370 takeover. Shopping Z01. Got the 2 twin turbo Lambos together. M3.
I ain't seen nobody with no 7 gen charger. Or what else I ain't see? That's really the only car. That's my car. What you talking about?
Triple blower, looks like a pro charger. GTR, I hear cops.
Cops? They ain't even doing nothing.
Got ourselves another GTR.
Ain't nobody burning out, no nothing. There's not no track out, nigga.
Another track hawk.
Oh, that is a track out. I'm on dick. Damn, that shit nasty as hell. He got that fat ass roof rack on that bitch, bro.
Look how high that truck is.
That weak ass hood on that shit.
The
That
fender
shit
was
is
higher than
tall
this
as
car.
shit. Damn. Ooh, I lied. That shit a camper. His track hawk a camper. That shit kind of
Helicopter
tough.
here. I see the lights. I don't see the car. He's over there. Unmarked. Listen. He's
Whoa.
over there.
That unmarked looked like it was a. Oh, never mind. That shit look like. It was...
Listen to this 3-valve chop.
What they doing? You gotta clear the area.
Dang, no way they're racing this. This is sick.
They leaving? We gotta leave.
There's another cop that just joined the party. Looks like it's time to leave.
Cops be assholes, bro. For what? Actually, I think they did that. I think the cops took their time coming here. That shit popping.
GTR. Cops yelling. Said, get in your car and let's go.
Where the next spot at?
Alright, we get it.
What McLaren that is, bro? That's a 570S.
Seems like they got every corner or every entrance.
That video game ass siren, bro.
And another cop. And I hear a helicopter somewhere.
They got the helicopters on y'all
And
too.
another cop. Dang.
Hey, bro, make sure y'all like and subscribe, bro. For real, this nigga is video 5. Ooh, look at that fucking Supra, bro. That shit, from the back, that shit looks so fucking nasty, bro.
So we're just at
Damn, bro.
GTR.
That shit nasty.
Whoa. There's the helicopter right there. He's following.
Show me a Corvette, bro. That nigga lights bright as hell.
This is gonna get shut down.
Oh God.
I hear him. I don't see him. He probably.
Trackiana.
Oh, he's got the spotlight on. Dang. They are definitely following. Just circling around us. And he turned it off.
I see who pulling up, bro. That nigga back with that weak ass
There's
truck.
already a cop here. He's
Oh,
sitting
God.
right there. Oh, there's another.
Oh, they be just chilling. They let everybody get cool, calm, and collected first, and let everybody just chill first, and then they wait for the building people to shut it down. LW cops.
That's how it goes. It's
Oh, they
such a
wait for
lot
3?
following us.
Oh,
There's
you
there.
gotta wait for 3 cops.
Oh my gosh.
It's a fucking Ferrari and it's blue. I thought you couldn't have a blue Ferrari.
Turbo sounds sick.
He said, "Fuck it, huh?" He said, "Fuck it,
GT350.
fuck
The
him."
helicopter's leaving. And that cop is also leaving, it looks like. Unless they're going after somebody. Got a call. He's also leaving. They're moving pretty quick out of here.
Oh
Something
God,
must have happened, for sure.
he in the
Now
Jeep.
quick.
They look like a regular Jeep. Ooh, them tires is
People are coming
hard.
from everywhere over there. Coming in from in there. Coming in from over there. Sounds crazy.
Oh God,
Wow.
that's a ZL1. Ooh, that shit is sexy. Oh my God, hold on, wait, that's a demon.
We'll set up on that.
Wait, hold on, go back. Damn, bro, cause I'm finna bust, bro. This ZL1 say, look how that shit sit. That shit do look fucking nasty as hell, bro. I look, you need one. This nigga right here, this is a cat. It look like, yeah, this is a cat. This is a cat. It might be I don't know. This is a cat, bro. Damn, the wheel setup on that shit is nasty, bro. Let me see. Turn it
We'll set
straight.
up on that.
Oh, he can't even turn it straight. That shit do look nasty as hell right there. Damn, I need a fucking... I don't know, bro. The Charger just... Nah, fuck that, but the Charger is the Charger, bro. Oh, that shit. Nah, just playing. Oh, my God. His exhaust got the side, bro. Whoa, that's a ZTSV. I don't like the older ones, though, bro. I don't like the older ones, though, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
They're shooting everything.
God.
CTSV is nasty.
Oh, God, it is. Nigga, move your car, bro. You taking up 2 spots.
Got a little bit of drama going on over there.
Drama. What the fuck could they possibly be arguing about?
He's saying, get in your car and let's race. But he's like,
Look-
not doing it.
look
This
at
looks
these
like my
niggas.
Corvette right here. Seeing taillights. See what's done to it. Nitrous.
Ooh.
Got some cars over here as well.
I'm not putting nitrous in my street car. Fuck that.
Alright, I'm ready for this action. Let's get something going.
Oh God. Oh my God. Damn. Oh my God. That shit was just disgusting me. Are they kicking him out? Damn, look at that fucking Chrysler 300 cat. Look at that Hellcat Chrysler 300.
Your car and go.
G8 over there.
Deployment is over.
There's the chopper. He's back.
He back. What that is?
Well, I guess we're going to the next spot.
What is that? A scat pack?
Now there's 2 cops. He must have come back after whatever happened.
That's a good guy. Tesla S Plaid, bro. Damn, bro. You fucking lying. You fucking lying. I gotta watch that shit. Holy fuck, I gotta watch that shit, bro. What the fuck? Hold on. Where the next video at? Nigga, where the next video?